Good morning, team. I hope you are having a wonderful Tuesday so far. I wanted to hop on here and give you my recruiting tip of the day. So, anytime somebody mentions that they would like to know more about what I do, or if they have questions about being a Scentsy consultant, I, that day, set up a meeting to meet with them. I think it's super, super crucial that you do that. I've had some people in the past who have said, hey, I want to know what you do, and I've said, well, yeah, I'll send you an opportunity packet. And then that excitement of them finding out kind of wears off. And like I have one in my head that I think of that I never did send her an opportunity packet. I had all the best intentions, but I never did. So my tip of the day is when anyone expresses interest, I take that opportunity packet with me when I meet with them. So 2 days ago, I had someone who was a customer from one of my basket parties, a customer, not a hostess, messaged me and wanted to know more about what it takes to be a Scentsy consultant. And that day I said, I'd love to meet with you and kind of give you some more information. Are you free any day this week? Sorry, my husband was calling. So she said, yeah, I'm probably free like Tuesday or Wednesday. And so I said, okay, how about Tuesday evening? And then we worked out a specific time and place to meet. I think it's super, super important that you do that. So I am meeting with her this evening. I'm treating her to dinner because that is it's a tax write-off, and it's not to persuade her in any way. It's just to be nice. But I'm meeting with her this evening, and I'm bringing my opportunity packet. And I also told her that between 2 days ago to today, I said if you have any questions that you want answered, jot them down, so that when you bring it, I can answer those for you. And whenever I go into these meetings, I'm super, super honest. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I do want to express the fact that it does take work, but if you're willing to work and learn and are teachable, anybody can do this job. So that is my tip of the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. I have done videos before on what I put in my opportunity packets. But mostly it's just meeting with someone to get to know them, because I think your best recruits are people that you actually meet in person so that they know who you are. And then one other thing. So my plan going into it is if she really does express interest, I'm going to encourage her to take one of my bags and collect orders before joining. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I want her to start off on the best foot possible. Hi, Jason. I know you just FaceTime me, but I'm busy. I'll call you back in just a second. Anyways, I'm going to try to get her off on the best foot possible and try to encourage her to have a party ready to enter when she joins, so that shooting star kit seems easily attainable, and that gets her off on a great start to hit her sensational start levels. So good luck recruiting. Follow up with people who have expressed interest and get a date on the books that you can meet with them. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.